Class 9, Chapter 7, Triangles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Three sides and three angles are the six elements of a triangle. Congruence of geometric figures. Two geometric figures are called congruent if they are exactly of the same shape and size. The symbol used for congruence is Now, let us discuss about the congruent figures. Two line segments are congruent if their lengths are equal. For example, AB and CD are two line segments. That is, AB equal to CD equal to 5 cm. Then we can write AB congruent to CD. Like that, angle ABC equal to angle DEF equal to 60 degree. That is, measure of angle ABC equal to measure of angle DEF. Therefore, angle ABC congruent to angle DEF. That is, two angles are said to be congruent if their measures are equal. Congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if one of them is made to superpose on the other, then they exactly cover each other. That is, in the figure, two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If triangle ABC is kept over triangle DEF in such a way that AB covers DE, BC covers EF and CA covers FD. Then triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. That is, if triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, then AB side equal to DE side, BC side equal to EF side and CA side equal to FD side. Also, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. If two triangles are congruent, for example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if they are congruent, we have sides AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF, AC equal to DF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. That is, we have 6 correspondents. That is, A correspond to D, B correspond to E, C correspond to F. AB correspond to DE, BC correspond to EF, AC correspond to DF. That is, we have 6 statements and there is no need to prove all these 6 statements to prove two triangles are congruent. We need only any three of these 6 statements to be proved. Now let us consider another example. In the figure, PQR and ABC are two triangles. And triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. We know that two triangles are congruent if the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. That is, PQ equal to AB, QR equal to BC, PR equal to AC. Also, angle P equal to angle A, angle Q equal to angle B, angle R equal to angle C. If two triangles are congruent, that is, triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC, then there exists correspondences. So, vertex P correspond to A, vertex Q correspond to B, vertex R correspond to C. Under this correspondence, triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. But it will not be correct to write triangle QRP congruent to triangle ABC. This is not correct under this correspondence. Now, congruent triangles having corresponding parts, and we know these corresponding parts are equal. So, congruent triangles corresponding parts are equal, and we write in short CPCT for this.